Let's walk through the mechanics of actually recalling someone in California, because the procedural details matter enormously to the outcomes. For a state official, it starts with a notice of intent, signed by at least 65 voters and submitted to the Secretary of State. The notice has to state the grounds for the recall in plain language. But here's something crucial. The Constitution imposes no substantive standard. An official can be recalled for any reason at all, including simple policy disagreement, with no requirement of misconduct or wrongdoing. The targeted official gets 7 days to file a written response of no more than 200 words, and both the grounds and the response go on the sample ballot mailed to voters. Then come the signatures. For executive officers like the governor, proponents need signatures equal to 12% of the votes cast in the last election for that office. For legislators and judges, the threshold is higher, 20%. There's also geographic requirements, signatures from at least 5 counties to make sure a recall reflects discontent that's spread out, not just concentrated in one region. For local officials, the thresholds are set by statute and slide with the size of the jurisdiction, from 30% in tiny districts down to 10% in those with 100,000 or more voters. Judicial recalls deserve special mention because they raise a real constitutional tension. An independent judiciary is supposed to be insulated from popular pressure so that judges can issue unpopular but legally correct rulings. When you make judges recallable, you risk turning them into politicians who must constantly chase public approval. We'll see how that played out with the Rosebud Court. Now, the ballot itself. It comes in 2 parts. The first question simply asks, should this official be recalled, yes or no? The second part lists replacement candidates who would take over if the recall succeeds, and the recalled official cannot be among them. Every voter gets both questions regardless of how they answer the first. And here is the feature that has generated the most criticism. If a majority votes yes on removal, the official is out. Then whoever wins the most votes on the replacement question takes office, even with just a plurality, not a majority. That means a governor could theoretically be removed by a bare majority and replaced by someone who won only a small slice of the vote. As we'll see in 2003, that's not just theoretical.